Hi, I'm Bean. Today we're going to be doing this super glowy orangey look for the spring and summer. If you want to see how I did it, make sure you keep watching. So as per usual, I'm going to start off my base with a Paula's Choice moisturizer. If any of you guys know a good beauty guru with a Paula's Choice discount code, let me know because I'm running low and this is my holy grail brand. Okay, so now I'm going to also take the Smashbox primerizer and apply that all over my face. We want to be able to look really dewy and still have a nice sticky primer. So then I'm actually going to mix my foundation with a little bit of rosehip oil, again just to make sure everything is nice and dewy. You really don't need to add a lot at all, just like a little drop. Maybe two. Then I'm actually going to take my Tarte Twinkle stick and apply that to any areas where I'm going to be applying highlighter later, and just blend that in along with my foundation. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of Bye Bye Under Eye with this very white ColourPop concealer, just because this is the lightest shade that IT Cosmetics has and it's still not light enough for me, sadly, but I love the formula, so we're gonna mix these and conceal where we need to conceal. So now I'm just going to powder those areas with a little bit of loose powder and a beauty blender. I'll powder the rest of my face with a fluffy brush. Just do this very lightly since we do still want to keep some of that dewiness and shine intact. Now I'm just going to use the dip brow to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, so to start off my eye look, I'm going to take this Pony Effect grindable eyeshadow in the shade Club Kid and apply it all over my eye. I just like to use my finger because I feel like that's what picks up this shadow the best, but I mean, you can use whatever you want. This eyeshadow can be a bit difficult. When you grind it, it kind of clumps together and then you have to try to pick it up and rub it on your eye without having a fallout situation. But I will say that it is super duper pretty and it lasts literally all day. And then I'll actually just use a brush to put that on my bottom lid. Then I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and pick up the shade Saturn. And then we're going to literally just apply this to our outer corners and then just brush it out to form like a little wing. This should kind of be the result. Then using the same shade with a more precise brush, I'm just going to apply that to my lower lid, also on the outer corner, and create like a little wing with that as well. And we can soften those up with a fluffier brush. Then using a precise black liner, I'm going to add like a little dot, just a little dot element right in the middle of my lower lid. Then just to make sure all of that stays set, I'm going to take a fluffy brush once again and add just a bit of setting powder on top of everything. Now we can just apply some mascara. I have Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes. So now pretty much as a blush, I'm going into the Milk Makeup Highlighter Palette and taking this orange color and dabbing that onto the apples of my cheeks. So now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm going to take this JS4 brush, going to go into this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter loose powder and apply it all over my cheekbones. Now for my lips, I'm going to take this 3CE water tint. It's like a little orangey shade. Be careful not to get it on your teeth like I just did. And then if you want to go really extra with the whole glowy vibe, this Tarteist lip paint lip bling top coat thing that makes your lips all sparkly, just go in on that on top of whatever lip color you want to use. And this is the completed hella glowy, hella extra, but natural look. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this hella glowy look for the spring. I'm already very excited for the warm weather, so make sure you let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.